In this video, I will show you how to fix Tesla map not loading or working. So I have in here this article that can help us with our navigation. So what we can do is we can head over and then just try to see if our internet connection is connected. We can also check our GPS signals. And we can also check our outdated software. So if you have outdated software, it may hinder that. So you can also see in here if there's some bugs. So what we can do is we can just restart or reboot our car in order to actually help solve it. So if you have some hardware malfunction, you can go over to any nearest Tesla service center. Another option to that is to just check the connection and GPS strength, clear cache of your system, power off your Tesla, soft reset your Tesla, hard reset it by going over the controls, safety and security, power off, and confirm. So after you have done that, you can also check for mild or hardware malfunctions for that case.